Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add projects to Wrike. Now let's say you want to add new projects to Wrike. How do you do it? The first thing you need to do is to navigate to the space or folder within Wrike where you want to create a new project. Then you right click on the space or folder name in the left hand menu, select the add item from the context menu and choose project from the drop down list. Next thing you have to do is to enter the project details like the name, the description, the start date or due date, and the assignees, the custom fields. Now under the name, you give your project a clear and concise name. Under description, which is actually optional, you can add a brief description of the project's goals and objectives. Under the date, start date and due date, set the start and due dates for the project if it's applicable. Then under assignees, you have to assign the project to the responsible team members or individuals. Then under custom fields, you have to add values to any relevant custom fields if it is applicable. So once I've done with putting in the details, next thing I'm going to do is click the create button to finalize the project creation. There are also methods to this. Instead of using this method I just mentioned above, you can decide to use the plus button in the top right corner. If you click the top plus button in the top right corner of your Wrike workspace, you will have a chance to select project from the drop down menu. It's as simple as that. You can also use the new item button in the table view by switching table view in the relevant space or folder first and then clicking the plus button at the bottom of the task list and selecting project from the drop down menu. You see, by following these steps, you can easily create new projects within Wrike to organize and manage your work effectively. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for